Hello everybody, my name is Jacob. Welcome back to the channel. We're doing the freaking fun adventurous thing again. It's raining, it's cold. I'm wearing I'm wearing short sleeves, I'm freezing. But I don't care. I didn't know that we were going anywhere, but we are. So I guess my freaking phone is soaked. Oh well. I'm having to record this with my phone again because I forgot the freaking camera. Like I said, didn't know we were going anywhere. But yeah, this should be a really cool waterfall, so yeah, we're gonna go look at it. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh, I'm still freezing. Sorry if this gets a little shaky. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone. Look at how beautiful that is. I'm going over there in a minute. Oh god. Very cold. Wow. So the Mill Springs Mill. What is this? Oh my god, I hope it's warm in here. Oh, you guys can't see it. Flash on, maybe? Can't see it that good, oh well. It's getting kind of dark outside again. This is the actual mill, I think. Not too sure. Wow. This is really pretty. Holy crap, guys. Try not to fall. Wow. This is the big, like, spinning wheel thing. Oh, this camera's getting even more shaky because I'm cold. The wind's blowing really hard. It's sprinkling like freezing rain. This is beautiful. Oh god. There's like a little waterfall under this bridge even. Going up on the bridge. That's crazy.
Don't move, buddy.
Oh my god.
I've never been able to see them so clearly because the water's, all the leaves and trees are clear. See how all the water flows down through there and goes down through it?
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
We should like,
My hand.
we should totally come and have a picnic here one day. Wow, this is like right above it. Wow. Can you say thumbnail? I certainly can. Oh, I'm shaking still. It's very cold. I had to add on a really good view of out there as well. Oh, the wind is so freezing. Oh my god. I had to come over here to where the waterfall's kind of coming out, where it kind of goes into that pipe too. Oh my god. I walked across this little thing with the water on the side, but yeah, we're heading out. Oh, water's coming out below me too. But yeah, we're heading out. We're leaving. It's cold. I'm gonna end this video here, but thanks for watching, and oh man, I almost slipped. Thanks for watching and enjoying my demise in this freezing cold. There's a little cave. But remember to subscribe, like, comment, that good stuff. I really like to hear what you guys think about these beautiful places, and I'd like to hear if you guys want me to go to more, because there's a lot of waterfalls and nice things around here. But thanks for watching, and bye bye.